Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Coinbase gift cards. First, understand that these cards provide a simple method to add value to your Coinbase account, which you can then use for various cryptocurrency transactions. They are widely accessible, making them a flexible option for managing your digital assets. We'll cover where to find them and how to use them effectively. You can typically purchase Coinbase gift cards from popular online marketplaces and certain physical retail locations. When buying, you'll find various payment methods accepted, such as major credit or debit cards. It's crucial to ensure you are buying from a reputable vendor to protect your transaction and personal information. Always double-check the seller's reviews and security measures. Redeeming your Coinbase gift card is a straightforward process. Simply navigate to the gift card redemption section on the Coinbase website or within their mobile application. You will then enter the unique code found on your card. Once redeemed, the funds will be instantly credited to your United States dollar balance, ready for you to use for buying cryptocurrencies or other services. To ensure your funds are safe, always keep your gift card codes confidential and never share them with anyone. Be extremely cautious of any requests for payment using gift cards, as these are often signs of a scam. Always purchase from trusted sources to avoid fraudulent cards. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This helps you stay secure and informed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.